Hello and welcome to a VO's Journey. Today's video, I'm going to talk about how Fiverr stock prices are crushing it and why in this latest article, the average selling price of business on Fiverr will shock you. And where does that leave us as voice actors for growth and charging more? All right, let's do it. Welcome. Well, this is a VO's Journey, the show where, I do a lot of crazy things. I step in a lot of junk over and over again, and I hopefully try to help you not step in it. Anyways, I'm happy to be talking to you today. I get every day these Google alerts. I set up this thing where I get information from Google about keywords and articles and things. And one of them is Fiverr and stock prices, voiceover, etc. So basically, an article came out today, was updated today. Let me show it to you. It was updated today from the Motley Fool. All right, about Fiverr prices, okay, and how, they are up quite a bit, all right, from the crazy doldrums that has hit Fiverr stock over the past year. All right, Fiverr used to be $200-300 a share, and it got all the way down, you can see, to $26 a share. Now, I don't usually talk about this channel at all about investing or anything about stock prices, but we're really heavily on Fiverr and voiceover work, and I want to talk about an interesting thing that popped up here, and for us voice actors, how I think this could really benefit us. So they talk about here some new information that came out from Fiverr recently, that their active buyers on the platform are up by 4.2 million. Okay, up by 3% from the year previously. But here's the thing. The amount spent increased by 12% to $262 per buyer. On Fiverr, we call this our average selling price. So as voice actors, we have under our analytics page, okay, we have this average selling price, and that shows us how much over the total number of jobs we've sold our average prices, right? So most of us who are between $5 and $20 or $30 per 100 or 150 words, right? That's going to show that it's not it's not very high, okay, from an average selling price. But here they're saying about the average selling price over the platform is $262 per buyer. So, it's an interesting thing, because that tells me there is a lot of room for growth for us to raise prices. And remember, pricing on Fiverr has always been one of those things in my mind as a means to an end, right? It's, you don't start at $5 expecting to stay at $5 or $10 or $15, right? We expect to raise it as we get busier, build more clients, grow our reach, get more reviews, become more embedded in the community there. We grow, right? We're promoted more. So I do think that this is a really cool number to pay attention to, and the fact that it's up like that, they're growing, and that average price is so high, I do think that it is an opportunity for us just to look at the fact that we can raise prices as we grow our business and not necessarily fear that there's not room for growth. Because I think as Fiverr expands to more markets, more people are going to turn to Fiverr as the rule, right? Not an exception, as a lot of people think. But I think Fiverr is more and more becoming the rule and not the exception than it ever has before. And so anyway, so that's an interesting thing, which I didn't, check on Upwork today, but, Upwork has posted massive earnings as well. So, these companies are good places for us to market. We don't just stay on them and don't do any other marketing, but they're excellent places for us to market our services, be a part of, and look at the possibilities of growth, all right, especially with charging more as well. So it's a good opportunity, and it's good to keep these numbers in place so you know what's going on. All right, well, anyways, thank you so much. I didn't want to keep you too much on Friday. Keep this video short. But as always, please hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to check out a VO's Journey Elite Academy, the link below. Would love to have you to help you start and grow your voiceover business. We're all for new beginners. That's what we're about, helping beginners get started and get themselves on the map. So, Give us a try. Check us out. I hope to talk to you soon. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.